week 2 of year 3 just finished today. This week was pretty similar to last, where we didn't have a ton of in-class time, but we did have some labs. This week we had a horse PE lab, and we also had a lab that was based on like anesthetic records and medical calculations and that kind of stuff. So wasn't too bad of a week. I feel like I'm sort of understanding a little better maybe now how this year is going to go. We added on another class, clinical reasoning, so that's going to basically focus a lot on cases and sort of just like, okay, what did we do with the knowledge that we gained the first 2 years? How do we apply it? How do we think through different scenarios, and sort of just start putting our knowledge to use? Because this is kind of this semester, and then a little bit of next semester is sort of the last thing to do before we start clinic. So starting to get real. Things are starting to sort of get to the point where you got to start thinking like a doctor and start thinking about, okay, what am I going to do when this is presented to me? What am I going to do about this? What could this be? Because they expect a lot out of you when you get to clinic. So that is sort of what my what this semester is going to look like. And like I said, I'm starting to feel like maybe I'm getting a better understanding of it. I didn't stress as much about the studying this week, solely because I don't think that it's going to be as strenuous as I sort of thought it was going to be maybe last week. I definitely need to continue to study up on drugs a little bit and try to stay on top of that knowledge. That way I'm not trying to just cram it all in last minute before the midterm. So I'm sure things are going to pick up a little bit more as the semester continues, but no complaints right now. I'm headed up north for a long weekend since it's Labor Day, and yeah, found out my first live surgery will be October 22nd, so that is less than 2 months away, which is kind of scary but exciting at the same time. So yeah, looking forward to this semester still, and just hoping that things keep chugging right along.